The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making her way to the ring from London, England, LIZZY.
Oh man, I know this competitor has a lot on their mind heading into this match. And she just said anybody can get it.
And her opponent from Texas.
This competitor is just way too aggressive. They need to do some breathing exercises or something. Unlock the inner peace.
I'm a little surprised to hear that from you, Corey. You endorse anyone who brings a little animosity to the ring.
Well, maybe sometimes I do, but this is too much. They should dial it back. Do some yoga.
Here's the bell, and this is the one we've all been looking forward to.
It's always a treat when you get to see a superstar like her in action. An eye-catching athlete who delights in delivering the goods between the ropes. She is here to put on a show.
At her opponent's expense, no doubt.
And she's going head-to-head with an intimidating opponent. This is someone who others try to avoid getting in the ring with. She's got the skill, she's got the physical abilities, she's got it all going on.
I have to agree, she's a well-rounded athlete who can give it shoulders down. And the shoulders up in time.
She almost got caught by surprise. Got out of dodge that time. Ouch!
Oh my God! What a move! That's likely to take as much out of one superstar as it does the other.
Springboard misses the target.
Oh, did we just see a tooth fly out? Right to the kidneys from behind. Looking for the back suplex.
Oof!
Clubbing blow. And she reversed it. Devastating kick.
Sudden stop to the offense. She mounting. Landing the crossbody.
Heading to the top turnbuckle now.
With the greatest of ease.
Senton. Taking a chance one more time and landing with incredible impact. With that maneuver, pain must be shooting through that leg now.
And she now
Close.
oh, and instant.
Uh-oh. Her rally got cut off there.
And saw what was coming there. Catches the leg.
Overhead kick connects.
Reversal from her.
Oh, and a forearm. Knees up. Knees were up. All the breath taken out of their body with that counter.
Clothesline.
The roundhouse kick. Knees up. Got the knees up just in time. Ooh. She's in a predicament here.
Fisherman suplex.
Straight into the pin. 2 count. She was close to the end there.
If she keeps the pressure on, the next one might do it. Sit out. Slam.
Oh! Smartly dipping out of harm's way.
Down to one knee. Off of the other. One together. That has to put her away.
And the cover. What a kick out. She's not done yet.
I'm on top, this ain't even my peak. And everything they said was out of my reach. It's getting so close now, did it all for the hometown. Time all year, we ain't seen the point now. This ain't even my peak. And everything they said was out of my reach. It's getting so close now, did it all for the hometown. Time all year, we ain't seen the point. Had the weight of the world on my shoulders. Felt like a lion in a room full of vultures.